What is Keras? In this video, I aim to introduce Keras and explain what exactly it is. You have likely heard about it in a machine learning context, probably alongside the term TensorFlow. Keras is just an interface that allows you to easily access and customize the behemoth machine learning frameworks, including TensorFlow, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit or CNTK, and Theano. These frameworks, also known as backends, do all the heavy lifting. When importing Keras in Jupyter Notebook, it says using TensorFlow backend, an extremely popular choice for programmers. You could still technically use these frameworks on their own, however, they are quite complex. As a result, many people prefer a high-level API or application user interface such as Keras to run on top of them. Keras is a great, easy way to start implementing machine learning, and specifically deep neural networks. If you're interested in the basics of neural networks, I made a 4-part video series explaining exactly how they work. There will be a link to this in the video description. Keras allows for quick experimentation with deep neural networks and focuses on being user-friendly. It is a popular choice amongst hobbyists and professional developers alike, and I will be using it for various implementations and documenting my journey. It is written in Python, a dominant programming language in the machine learning world. If interested in using it, you should probably brush up on your Python programming skills. In the following videos, I will be using the Keras API along with the TensorFlow framework on some datasets. In doing so, I will introduce some concepts and also hopefully captivate you with the beauty and power of machine learning.